Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to cancel autopay in Google Pay. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just open Google Pay. So this is my Google Pay account over here. So I just want to click on the top, my photos is there. This is my account. So just hit the button and you will find a lot of options over here. So just scroll down. You will have the autopay pending request over here. So just hit the button autopay. So there will be a live and pending as well as the completed one is there. So you can identify where is the pending options are there. If it is there means you can click and cancel. Otherwise it is live means it will be there. So for example, I have a two live autopay options are there. So autopay is on over there, autopay is on over there. So please check that this is on so that each and every month my payment will be debited. So without I'm knowing also. So just hit the button on the top. You will find a amount as well as the start and end that will be there. Just scroll down. You will have a pause autopay and cancel autopay. So you can pause the autopay as well as the cancel the autopay while you are using Google Pay option. If I pause autopay, it will ask you so which date you want to pause. For example, 25th of November or any dates you can give according to your needs, and you can select the date as well as the end date also. You can choose and you can pause the autopay option. So it will ask you for your Google Pay account number so or password. You just click here means automatically it will pause. So pausing the autopay, so it is done. So similarly I just want to cancel the autopay, so I just click here for the cancel autopay. So once I click cancel autopay, so it will ask you to cancel the autopay. So give your GPay password, automatically it will cancel the autopay as you see here. So my autopay has been cancelled over here. So you can see autopay is cancelled. So simple and easiest tip. So once you click here, automatically it will show you the autopay option of the live or pending or complete. So live is there, so autopay is on over there. So I just want to cancel or pause, so just select the cancel pay autopay option. So yes, I want to cancel this one. So use your Google Pay passcode to cancel your autopay. So simple and easiest way to cancel your autopay. So my autopay has been cancelled over here. So use this option to cancel or pause your autopay, so that will be easy for your Google Pay maintenance account. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.